Hello, everyone. This is a close-up report for Microfinance On-Chain 3.0, a funded nation building dApps application. In this project, we looked how the Cardano blockchain can support the microfinance industry from lenders and up to the borrower on the ground. While the vision and opportunity is huge, in this phase, we look mainly on the validation study, talking with the key players, understanding the next steps and the potential easy use cases. We started by putting together the value chain from investor to micro entrepreneurs. We added on top of that the flow of money going from investor to micro entrepreneurs and back the flow of impact from the micro entrepreneurs into the investors. Microfinance is an impact-driven industry, and this flow of impact information from the ground to the investor is very important and a huge challenge to solve. We added on top of that the touching point that we see that where blockchain technology can be helpful. We then also analyzed the different models that can be achieved. If we look on the top, it's the model today from investor to micro entrepreneur, but there might be other opportunities taking out some of the intermediates and creating new models. And then how the technology can fit that. So looking into digital identities, legal contracts, data management, and creating new models. As mentioned, the data management probably is a key for transparency and traceability on the impact that is very relevant for this industry. The research was also supported by discussion with microfinance players in Switzerland, as well as a different discussion with the CF team. We then conducted around 10 brainstorming sessions. First of all, with the CF team, which was very helpful in trying to analyze the opportunities, preparing materials, and working on use cases, as well as helping to organize some of the meetings. We thank them very much for their support and collaboration. We also had the brainstorming sessions with key industry players. Some of them can be seen here. Like QuickCheck, for example, is a microfinance bank based in Nigeria with 300,000 borrowers related to SeedStars. And we can see some asset managers based in Switzerland, like Responsibility and Symbiotics, managing hundreds of millions of dollars, as well as asset manager like Fondo, which is actually trying to take microfinance into saving opportunity. So it's the next level, a very interesting model. So we put together very interesting companies to brainstorm with them and discuss the opportunities. Part of the sessions and discussions were also in events, strategic events that happen in the Geneva region. Bridge Builder is one of them, and the Cardano Summit in another. In both of them, we had dedicated sessions for microfinance. Just to mention that around 30% of the microfinance in the world is being somehow channeled through Switzerland. So it's very important hub for microfinance, and therefore creating traction and interaction here with the community is very important. All the meetings are details in the closing report, which the link can be found here, where you can see who participated in the meeting and summary of the meetings. At the Cardano Summit, we had Fondo presenting the microfinance project, basically how to move microfinance into saving opportunity. It was supposed to be a closed session, but it was an open session, and very senior people joined, as well as the community. Cardano Foundation was active there, as well as people from IOG, like John O'Connor, and some other DeFi microfinance players that was there to come and discuss with them. Also, in Building Bridges conference with the Cardano Foundation, we organized a private session about microfinance, which was quite successful and interesting. Summary and next steps. There is an interest from the industry to explore opportunities, and Cardano got some great exposure from the process here in Switzerland. The technology readiness for some key use cases is still need to be established. It's still early stage, and this is why we suggest to focus on very simple and specific use cases in collaboration with the key players. This collaboration will go and grow through 2023. Need more time and focus to do it. Also, normally it will start, each company have a different objective and different milestones, so we believe the best is to do one-on-one discussions with the different companies. The project team is open and ready to support the ecosystem in continue discussion with the microfinance players and coordinate this discussion and progress. And as a project team, we also believe that transparency and traceability, especially of impact reporting on the ground, is a huge key step forward that we evaluate in how to progress with. It was exciting and interesting to work on that and collaborate with Cardano Foundation and key industry players in the microfinance, and believe it's just the beginning of the collaboration between our ecosystem and the microfinance industry. Thank you very much.